Good morning everyone. My name is Litesh. I am studying in 4th class. Today we are doing science experiment magic volcano. Things with need: baking soda, citric acid, spoon, blue color, red color, stirring stick, conical flask, water, measuring cylinder. Let's now start the experiment. Take a measuring cylinder and fill with water. Add 2 drops of red color.
Still one more drop, fine.
Okay.
Mix as well using the stirring stick. Take the conical flask. Add 2 scoops of citric acid. And 2 scoops of baking soda. Shake the flask so it mixes well. Pour the water from into measuring cylinder into the flask. See carefully science behind this. Citric acid and baking soda, when mixed with water, we see bubbles. Reaction takes place. We see bubbles of carbon dioxide gas being released.
Here we can see the bubbles. That is carbon dioxide gas and it is being released. When citric acid and baking soda mixes, there is a chemical reaction taking place. And the bubbles will
And we'll see bubbles
of carbon dioxide coming out.
gas being released.
Yes.
Here everyone.
Very good.